All right, so we've got the new Bwine C11 RTR truck ready to go. This is that 110 super size, so it's bigger than a regular 110. And then the nice thing about this is it's truly an amphibious vehicle. So once all this snow melts, we can actually drive it into the lake. And it drives around in the lake. It can even be submerged if you look at the posting online. So let's go ahead and drive it around up here for a little bit. So it's handling the snow and the ice, no problem. And it's doing really good in the cold. It's a high of 6 degrees today, so it is not warm. All right, so there you go. You see it driving around. Definitely does great in the snow and the ice, and I'm sure it'll be fun when we can get it in the water later this spring too.